Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up. Yeah! I'm going to show you
another tool on Tool-a-Holic Tuesdays. Yeah, actually, it's one type of tool, but two tools. I've got Matco die grinders. I've got the right angle and the straight one. So stick around. At the end, I've got a Tuesday tidbit for you. Might as well watch Pappy on Tuesdays, because if you're like me, you go scrolling around the cable channels and you end up stopping and watching a PBS station anyway. So, welcome to Tool-a-Holic Tuesdays. Here we go. A couple of brand new out of the box die grinders. The right angle, Matco, and the straight grinder. These are air tools, and they're of good quality. They are going to be tested probably as soon as tomorrow. And these are going to be tested in a real environment too, right? Pappy's son, he is now a mechanic and needed these for his job. And he's going to be putting them right to work come tomorrow. So I nabbed them real quick and said, I'm going to do a Tool-a-Holic Tuesday on Pappy's Corner with these. So I wanted to show them to you. And here we go. See if I can't zoom in here and you can get a little better look. Well, tell you what, I'll adjust the light and then we'll zoom in. Better yet, I'll just go ahead and zoom in right down here. I'll grab the camera, do that. And I've got them sitting out here so we can take a quick look at them. The right angle is a model MT2983. And the straight die grinder is an MT2980. And like I said, these are Matco tools. And there's a safety feature on these. This is nothing new, been around for years. Is you can't push the lever unless you toggle this little switch over like so. See, it's got a little spring in there that keeps it like that, so you can't accidentally push the trigger unless you purposely toggle that over, because those are spinning at a high RPM. Maybe I'll plug one in here in the compressor and just give you an idea what these are like. There it goes here. Maybe I need to turn on the compressor and get some air in it. Got to turn on the compressor. I didn't have enough air in the compressor to do anything. Oh, now I got to turn the valve on. Okay, got the air hose here. Pop her on. Well, hey! That sounds like an official air tool if you ask me. That's pretty much on high right there. Turn it down to low, see what happens. There's your speed dial right there. It's high in the middle and low to the left or right. Oh yeah, nice. Sweet. It's got a nice sound, I think. Got a little bit different sound. It's got a 90-degree gear in here, see, so it's going to have a different sound. That high of an RPM, why? You could expect that. Okay, well, great. Hey, thanks for sticking around for Tuesday's tidbit. You know, it's been a catastrophe around here. I've been running around like a one-legged man in an ass-kicking contest. Not to mention, I had to go to the doctor today to see if I could get some Viagra. And he says, well, I'm going to need to see you have sex. And I says, oh, okay, well, when's your wife free? And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.